Yes, everyone, we will learn today or in this video about pictograph. Okay, so actually it is based on the pictograph or the picture basis. So the first question is, if one rose stands for 3. So here you can see how many roses are there. If one rose is 3, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 roses will be of obviously 18. Why? Why? Because 6 into 3 is 18. Clear? Next, if one monkey stands for 12, then 3 monkey will stands for 12 into 3. So 36. Now, if 1 2 3 4 5 6 stands for 24. If 6 fish is stands for 24, then 1 2 3 fish stands for, just imagine children, 6 fish stands for 24 means each stands for what? Each stands for 4. That's why 4 into 6 24. So then if 6 is equal to 6 into 4 is, sorry, yes, 6 into 4 is 24. Then each one will have power of 4. Then 3 will have 4 into 3, that is 12. Number C. Next, if 1 2 3 4 5, 5 stands for 75, then 2 stands for what? 5 stands for 75 means 5 stands for 75 means what? Actually it is each stands for, if I want to make it clear, then 75, then 5 divided 5, so each is of 15. So 2 stands for then if 1 stands for 15, then 2 stands for 15 plus 15 or 15 into 2, so that is 30. Option number D. Direction. Maximum number of students, like the picture is given, show the number of students in each section. 2A. So number 2, study and graph and answer the following question. 2A 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 2B 1 2 3. 2C 1 2 3. 2D 1 2 3 4 5. 4 3 3 5. Now the question is, maximum number of students are in maximum number of students in class 2D, right? Each stands for 5 students. Each smiley stands for 5. Then 1 2 3 4. 4 smiley stands for 20, obviously. Then 2B 3 smileys means 15. 2C 15. 2D 1 2 3 4 5 means 25. So number D will be the question number D will be the correct answer. Okay. Next. 6. Which two section has same number of students? We can say it easily by saying it only, no need to explain or no need to just calculate. 2B and 2C. 2A, 2B and 2C. Here the option is 2B and 2C, and that is in C. How many total number of students are there in 2? So let us count. So in 2A is 20. It is A. Okay, let me write it here. A 20. B is 15. C is again 15. D is 25. 5 plus 5 10. 0 1 carried. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 means it is, sorry, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 15 and 1 carried, so 75. Total strength is 75. Total strength is 75. Okay, option A. Number 8. Nupur and Anusha picked dash flower, or sorry. Next question is here also some flowers are there, and each flower stands for 2 flowers. Each flower stands for 2 flowers. Okay, and these flowers are picked by 4 girls. Nupur and Anusha picked dash flower altogether. So if each uh, purple flower stands for 2 flowers, then Nupur has picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Nupur has picked 9. So 9 into 2 is 18. And Anusha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 into 2 is 22. So altogether they have picked 8 plus 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 40. So the answer is 40. Divya picked dash flower less than Kirti. So Divya has picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means 16. Divya has picked 16. And Kirti has picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so Kirti has picked 20 and Divya has picked 16. So 20 minus 16, 4. Option number D. Clear? Next, like the same way, some pictures are there which you need to see and you need to answer. Okay, here also the same. The pictograph shows the number of stickers and each sticker stands for 3 stars. So Ali has got how many stars? 2 means 3 into 2 6. Anshu 9. Joy 3. Mary 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 means 15. Armona 10. 6. Just wait a bit. So each star stands for 3, right? So Mary has picked 1 2 3 4 5, that's 15, and Mona 6. Okay, so number of flowers actually is number of, wait a bit, just, yes, Joy have, okay, now we have got the numbers. Now who got the minimum stars? Who has got the minimum stars? It is who has got minimum, like not very many numbers of star. Okay, so here Ali 6, Anshu 9, Joy only 3. So obviously option A. Which two children got the same number of stars? Means both have the same number. So that is which one? That is Ali and Mona. So Ali and Mona is option B. Mary got dash more stars than Anshu. So number of stars Mary got is 15, we know it, and number of stars Anshu got is 9. So 15 minus 9 is 6. So answer is 6. Now the number 15 to 17 is September. Actually they have given a chart that number of refrigerator Mr. Sharma sold in 4 different months. Study the graph and you need to answer it. Okay, so number of refrigerator Mr. Sharma sold in October. If each red thing stands for 10, that means September he has sold 30. In October, sorry, wait a bit. So in September he has sold 40. In October 30, November 20, and December 1 2 3 4 5 50. So now here the question is, how many refrigerators did Mr. Sharma sold in October? So in October he has sold 30 refrigerator. So 15, number A will be the answer. Number 16, in which month least number of refrigerator was sold? Very less number, it is November. Again 16A. Now number 17, how many more refrigerators were sold in December than November? So in December, actually they have Mr. Sharma has sold, like in number of refrigerators sold in November is 20 and December is 50. So 50 minus 20 is 30. So option C. Again, each stands for each rock. Actually, it is the color they like, the children like. Okay, so each color or each crayon stands for 2 children. How many more children prefer red color than blue color? So you need to count first. You need to count the number of children who prefer colored. Actually, if one color stands for 2 children, so first of all we need to know that the total number, right? So red, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So if 1 stands for 2 children, the 16 stands for 32 children. That is red. It is R, means red. Then B, it is of 13, means 13 into 2 26. Then the number color green, right? Now green color, they are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 12 means 24. 1 2 orange color, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 means 16. So how many more children preferred red color than blue color? How many more children prefer red color than blue color? So easily we can do it by subtracting it. So number of children who prefer green color is 24. I have written earlier as well. So number of children who prefer orange color is 16. Okay, sorry, 19. Question number A. Question is, how many more children prefer red color than blue color? So number of children who prefer red color is 32 and the number of children who like blue color is 26. So 32 minus 26. Easily understandable, it is 6. So answer will be 6. Next answer, the question is, which color is least liked by the children? Very least like orange. How many children prefer red, green and orange color altogether? How many children? So number of children who prefer green color is 20 and orange color is 16. So 16 plus 24 plus 16, it is 40. Answer will be 40, obviously. Okay, now number, again the same pictograph you will see, you will practice, and if you just go through it, you will understand. Just you need to give your attention. How many books were sold 4 months altogether? See, one chart is there. You can see this is a chart. This is a chart and books are there, right? So books are there in January. If each book stands for 8 books, so in January there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So if one book stands for 8, sorry, one book stands for 8 books, this color book stands for 8 books, so 9 here, so 9 into 8 is 72. February is 32 as only 4 books are there. March 10 books are there, means it's 10 books are there, means 1 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 10 into 8 is 80. And in April, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 means 88. Okay, now they all together, if I add 72 plus 32 plus 80 plus 88, altogether it will come as 2, then 7, and again it is 1. Yes, sorry, 2. 272. Answer will be 272. Okay. Number B. How many more books were sold in January than February? So number of books sold in January is, we know it's 70, and in February it is 32. So we will just subtract it. Okay. And the answer is D. Answer will be number D. Next. Now achiever section. The given pictures graph shows the number of balloons, right? So each balloon stands, each pink colored thing stands for one balloon. So Thursday, number of children who actually, it's a kind of, this is a picture graph, shows the number of balloons sold Thursday to Saturday. So Thursday, 1 2 3 4 5, right? And Friday 1 2 3, only 3. Saturday 1 2 3 4, again 4. And Sunday 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 4 5 6, it is 6. Okay, so if the cost of one balloon is 10, then how much money is collected in 4 days? So it is saying that if the cost of one balloon is 10, so how much money is collected in 4 days? Okay, so now we will actually add these 4, means 5 plus 3 plus 4, number of balloons, and number of 6, it is 18. If one balloon is cost 10, then 18 balloon will cost 18 into 10, so it is 180. That's it, 180. Next, if blue color stands for 3 papers, okay, Kavya needs some color paper to complete her school project. She bought 12 green colored paper and 15 blue color paper, 9 yellow colored paper, and 18 red colored papers. So each blue is equal to 3 papers. So which of the following pictures is correct? So it is a kind of tricky question, so don't be afraid. She has bought 12 green paper, 15 blue, 9 yellow paper, and if each blue thing stands for 3 papers, which of the pictograph is correct? So you have to see, and the option will be option B. Next one, the given picture graph shows the number of participants for events at sports meet. If one red color sign stands for 5 participants, right? So total number of participants for the marathon, in the number of participants for which the event is same, total number of participant of the marathon 400 and 400 meter relay together, so, right? So now total number of participants for marathon and 400 meter relay is 10 plus 20, so it is 30. Okay, Now the number of participants for high jump, it is for high jump, it is also 30. So here the question is the number of participants for which event the same. So obviously option number A will be the correct answer. Number 29, the showing picture graph the number of trees planted by some students. Each plant is equal to 4 plants. So now using that you need to see that which is the incorrect thing. So from the given data we can say the total number of participants, from the given data it is clear that Rahul planted maximum trees. Why? Because if one tree is equal to 4 trees, then Rahul has planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means 7 into 4 is 28. So Tarun has planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 4, 20. So let me write it so it will be easier for you. Samaira planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this plant stands for 4 trees, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 into 4, that is 20. 1 to 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again 5 into 4, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 into 5. 5 into 4. 1, 2, 3. It is 4 into 7. That is 28. So 20, 20, 16, 20, 28. So who has planted the maximum number of plant? So answer is Rahul. We understand that. Samaira and Tina, Tarun planted the same number of trees, that is 20. And Arjun planted least number of trees, that is 16. Yes. So here option D is incorrect. Why? It is written Tina planted 25 trees, but we know that Tina planted only 20. Sorry, let me write it again. Tina has planted 20 trees. So option D is incorrect. Now, children collected some picture cards. Kirti, Priya, Shruti, Mishika, and each picture stands for 30 cards. Okay, so number of cards Kirti collected. If one card stands for 30, one picture stands for 30. So here Kirti has collected 180. Priya has collected 150. Shruti 210. And Mishika 120. Okay. So now it is easy to match that Kirti has collected 180, Priya 150, Shruti 210 and Mishika 120. So which option will be the correct? Option C. Okay children, this was for the day. I hope you have learned something. Try to practice more so that you can understand properly. Read each and every time, but make it fast. Okay, because very less time you will be getting. Okay, bye bye, take care.